Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to resolve Samsung TV update error code 800. Alright, let's begin. First of all, this error occurs when users try to update their Samsung TV firmware, but their TV does not update and keeps showing this error. Few users even have shared that they are getting a notification that there is a new version available for your TV and you need to install it. But each time they try to update, they keep receiving this error. Because of it, neither they can successfully update their TV, nor they can get rid of the update notifications. Now, for some reason your TV is unable to successfully communicate with the Samsung TV services, resulting in this error. First up, a simple reboot of your router and TV might do the trick. Just turn off your router, unplug it from the power source, do the same for your TV, and wait for around 10 minutes. Then, toggle on both of them and check if the internet is connected properly to your TV. Now give that update another shot. If that doesn't work, try connecting your TV and router with an Ethernet cable if they're close enough. Here's another tip. If your TV is on HDMI when the error pops up, switch the source to TV and try again. Some users have found success with this method. If the problem still persists, you will then need to tinker with the DNS settings. Simply go to Network Settings, then DNS Settings, and opt for Manual DNS. For primary DNS, punch in 8.8.8.8, and for secondary DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. Now restart your TV and give the update another go. And if the error still persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Samsung support. So that's basically how you can resolve Samsung TV update error code 800. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.